Really shocked. Apple did exactly what I kind of asked it to do in a way, and I'm pretty pumped about that. I did trade this morning, early in the morning, hoping it would run. Didn't. Lost an R. Dreams on. Didn't run yet, Newsom. You'll get them later. Now, the swing trade on this, though. Woo! Getting pumped. Probably going to be a wager. I don't know, but I'm thinking it. So if you guys can come up with something good, let's make it happen. I'll figure out the terms in just a moment. But let's go time travel a little bit and look at, from my point of view, the last 3 times that you had a bearish candle with a large gap into resistance. Ready? Here we go. Right here, big bullish gap on the 24th of April, 2014, above all kinds of resistances. We got a bearish candle with a lower shadow. Next day was bullish. This gap, 21st of October, gapped up. It was a retest gap. Did not clear above resistance, but you did end with a black candle and we went higher the next day. The most recent really strong bullish gap that Apple has had is right here. Gapped up above everything and closed with a really solid bearish day. So today, we gap up above an incredible resistance, trap all kinds of traders, and we close with a bearish candle. What do you guys think? I mean, what do you think? So, I'm not going to publish this on TradingView. I want you guys to be the only ones that has this one for right now. Newsom going long 105 August calls tomorrow morning. $1 limit. Risk $1. Okay? That's my risk. What does that mean? Well, 105 August calls are going to be out of the money. They probably, you might be able to buy them for like 80, 70 cents tomorrow, and I'm willing to risk all of that money. 0. You go to 0 and I'm fine. So whatever your normal, let's say if your normal trading risk is 200 bucks, right? You can buy 2 contracts. I'm not saying you should. If this is a strategy you've never done before, I wouldn't suggest it now. Practice this one. But what I'm anticipating tomorrow is a bullish day. If Apple does not have a bullish day tomorrow, I expect Apple to likely trade into 101-ish, where I will look for another swing. Okay, so this stop is going to be for anyone who might have some shares if you're doing short-term share trade. If you're doing an option, for me, I'm doing out of the money, 105, risking it all. Now, I'm not putting life savings on this trade. I'm not doing anything specifically different. My risk is just like if you would have a $2,000 swing trade risk or $5,000 or $10,000 swing trade risk on any other trade. I'm just risking $1, right? So the max worst case loss is $1. So factor in, right? If you have $2,000 risk unit, divided by an R is 2,000 shares or 20 contracts. So if you buy 20 contracts at $1, it's 2,000 bucks. Worst case scenario, you lose 2,000 bucks. And the good news with this plan is if Apple does something like this, right, and coming up into earnings, you still might be able to close them for like 17 cents or something, so you won't lose a full R. So I like this strategy. I've been working on a lot. I've told you folks that I'm really working hard to get better and better with options for you, because I plan on coming in September, October, really diving heavily into options and blowing your guys' mind. Because I'm ready to make some serious money, and now that I don't have anyone taking it away from me, at least not yet, I'm excited to share it with you guys. So anyway, I want to do a lot together with all of you. So the good news is exactly, Steven, best case scenario is if this happens, I'm gonna buy more. So let's hypothetically say risk is 5,000 bucks on this trade. Stock trades down into this account and the options are worth 30 cents. I'm going to say, all right, I'm still willing to go to 0. Let's see if I can add any additional shares. And if I can find a stop at, say, 5 or 10 cents, Let's see if I can add any contracts. And again, if it really, really pops, again, best case scenario is Apple does this coming into August. That's best case scenario. And that would be awesome. If we can buy these for 70, 80, 85 cents, that's exactly what happened to Netflix. So I'm not saying I'm going to do this every single trade. It's only on the stocks I absolutely love. And I'm going to be practicing them more. But I've been pouring tons of hours into Thinkorswim and their option charts, and I absolutely love it. All the money I'm trading right now is now in Thinkorswim and for swing trades. And yeah, so that's going to be coming in the future. But anyway, that's my plan. Questions? So an official swing trade on the document, what to put on? That's a very good question. Officially then, let's do, honestly, this. This right here. Trigger. Stop. That's not really that aggressive, honestly. So here what I'm just going to copy paste this, but yeah, I can make that official. Shares. If you want to do options, do options. You want to do put sales, you can do put sales. Whatever floats your boat, whatever strategy you're specializing in, that will be the one that you can do. But I'm looking to go long Apple, and folks, as just a reminder, I can obviously be wrong about this trade. I'm going in with a risk that I'm absolutely comfortable losing. Not going to lose my house, home, and shirt if I'm wrong on this trade. All right, but if you want to wait for a break higher, 103.90 would be Yum City. And 102.28. And you could also consider 104 calls if you want. You know, it's also up to you. Okay, there we go. Apple done. Posted in here. Got it. All right, Facebook.